Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make an end portal in Minecraft. Let's get started. First, you'll need end portal frames and Eye of Ender. End portal frames cannot be crafted. They're usually found in the stronghold, but this works the same in creative mode. You can craft Eyes of Ender using the Ender Pearls and Blaze Powder. And after that, stand in one spot and place 3 end portal frame in front of you. Then turn 90 degrees and place 3 more. Then repeat this until all 4 sides are complete. Make sure facing each frame while placing it or the portal won't work. Then stand in the middle and place an Eye of Ender into each frame and make sure they all face inward. Once the last eye is placed, the portal will activate. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.